Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company, we have for sale a YCI SuperMax gap bed engine lathe. It'll swing 13 inches over the bed and 18 inches in the gap. The center distance is 40 inches, and it will come equipped with an 8-inch 3-jaw with reversible top jaws, an 8-inch 4-jaw, a 12-inch faceplate, a 6-inch drive plate, has a steady rest, follower rest, and the thread dial. Now I'm going to run this machine and demonstrate it just to let you hear it run and see how smooth it is. That's in the low gearing. High gearing. Of course it's going to be a little different. Change speed. There's a slow speed motor. I didn't let it stop. That is 1,000 RPM. Do it this way. You can hear it at 2,000 RPM. Let's get this in. We'll get that tightened up. Put it in. See some. Reach through rotating. Very, very nice. Good feet. Clutch to the right. Do the reverse. You have to get used to running it. Now this machine is a Taiwanese machine. It's not Chinese. And I believe this comes from the third wave. It's a 1985 machine, and I believe that's the third wave of Chinese or Taiwanese coming into town. And by this time they had fixed all their little stupid mistakes and all their stupid issues that Taiwan had. Where the Chinese equipment is still coming in having the same issues. Now it has a 3 horsepower, 2-speed motor, so that makes it 220 3-phase only. So it'll have to have a phase converter if you need it, and it won't run on 440. It has to run on 220. Now floor space is 36 inches by 78 inches, and I estimate the weight to be around 1,500 pounds. Now this machine has an 1 3/8 spindle bore, so it's a perfect machine. This is a machine you really don't want to hem and haul. You better jump on it if you're needing a machine of this capabilities, because this one's not going to be around for very long. I really think you ought to jump on it. Again, it's for sale at Long Machine Tool Company in Ferris, Texas.